Hey influencers, in this video, I'll be sharing my top 3 tips to create consistent content as an influencer to attract followers and brands. Stay tuned. If this is the first time we're connecting, my name is Gwen Lane and I help influencers grow their following, make money, and make an impact. One of the biggest challenges that my students have is creating consistent content, which is an essential part of growing your following, building authority and expertise, and most importantly, attracting followers and brands. No one will find you or follow you if you're not putting anything out there. So here are my top 3 tips to help you create consistent content for all your channels. Tip number 1, plan ahead. We've all heard this before because it's true. When you don't plan ahead, you can find yourself in catch-up mode, feeling overwhelmed and stressed out because you don't know what you're going to post. The fix for this is spending a few hours planning out your content ahead of time. If you think about it, this means only 4 pieces of content for your main platform if you're doing once a week. That's on your blog, videos, or podcasts. And if you're doing daily social posts, which you should, that's about 30 pieces of content a month. You can plan this out in just a few hours and you won't have to worry about it for a whole month. Tip number 2, batch. I really love this technique because it really frees up a lot of time. Batching is when you lump together similar tasks like filming all your videos or writing all your blog posts in one day. If you do this every month, it will all be done and you just have to worry about publishing and marketing instead of the content creation. Tip number 3, use tools. My favorite tool is Planoly. It's an Instagram planning and scheduling tool where you can plan all your upcoming posts. If you have an Instagram business account, you can now use the auto post feature where it will publish your posts to Instagram directly. I'll link to it below in the video description so you can check it out. I also use Google Sheets for my editorial calendar so I can plan out my blog posts and my videos, and I use Google Calendar for time blocking. Time blocking is when you allocate every hour of your time, and it's really helpful to see where your time is going and when scheduling time to get things done. So if you want to create consistent content, my 3 tips are plan ahead, batch, and use tools to make your life easier. Don't forget to like this video and comment below with what tools you're currently using to create consistent content right now, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about growing your following, making money, and making an impact as an influencer. I also wanted to give you access to my free Influencer 101 course. It's a 5-day course that takes you through my 5 steps to building your brand and making money as an influencer. Sign up now by clicking the link below and you'll be getting an email from me right away so you can get started now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.
Do you want to grow your following and make money as an influencer? Want to connect with other women influencers like you? Let me be your guide, mentor, and teacher. I created the Spark Society, a community for women influencers where you'll get access to our free resource library, influencer opportunities, and our private Facebook group. Go to thesparksociety.org to get started right now.